limit h tends to 0, 2 times root 3 sine of pi by 6 plus h minus cos of pi by 6 plus h upon root 3 h of root 3 cos h minus sin h is equal to. Let us simplify this. Limit h tends to 0, so 2 times. So let us multiply and divide with 2 in the numerator. So we have 2 times of root 3 upon 2 sine of pi by 6 plus h minus 1 upon 2 cos pi by 6 plus h divided by root 3 h into, so let us multiply again, multiply and divide with 2 in the denominator. So 2 times of root 3 by 2 cos h minus 1 by 2 sin h. And since we know that sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2 and cos pi by 6 is equal to root 3 by 2. So let us substitute here. Limit h tends to 0, 2 times. So here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Root 3 upon 2 we can write cos pi by 6. So sin pi by 6 plus h into cos pi by 6 minus sin pi by 6 into cos of pi by 6 plus h. In the denominator, root 3 h into, so root 3 by 2 we can write cos pi by 6 into cos h minus sin pi by 6 into sin h. So limit h tends to 0, since we know that sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, which is equal to sin of a minus b, and cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is equal to cos a plus b. Let us use these two formulas here. So 2 times the numerator sin a, let us consider this is a and this is b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So we can write sin of a minus b. So sin of pi by 6 plus h minus pi by 6 in the denominator, root 3 h into cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So we can write cos of a plus b, that is cos of pi by 6 plus h. That is limit h tends to 0, 2 times. So here sin h upon root 3 into h into cos of pi by 6 plus h. And by using algebra of limits we can also write this as limit h tends to 0. So 2 upon root 3 is constant, so let me put out, and sin h divided by h so 2 upon root 3. So we can write limit h tends to 0 sin h upon h, and again the denominator limit h tends to 0 cos of pi by 6 plus h. So 2 upon root 3, and numerator, since we know limit theta tends to 0, sin theta upon theta is equal to 1. So we can write sin h upon h, limit h tends to 0 becomes 1 upon limit h tends to 0 cos of pi by 6 plus h, we can write cos pi by 6 plus 0, which is equal to 2 upon root 3 into 1 divided by cos pi by 6. And we know cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. So 2 upon root 3 into 1 divided by root 3 upon 2 means into 2, which comes as 4 upon 3. So 4 upon 3 is the answer, which is our option B. Option B is the answer. Okay.